Today we search the job title is a business analyst. There is 554 jobs found. Let's see the first business intelligence analyst. Okay, let's have a look about the company. Apply the material in company. In corporation, is a Fortune 500 global growth company and the world's largest supplier of water fabrication.
Fabrication.
Yes. Water fabrication system and service to the global semiconductor industry. As a global leader in providing manufacturing solutions for the semiconductor, flat panel displays, and solar photovoltaic industries, our technologies help make the products that change the world. Applied is focused on delivering technologies that enable customers to solve their high-value problem better, faster, and at a low cost, delivering the differentiations, valuable and sustainable solutions that provide them with a competitive advantage. Okay, seems very good job. Okay, let's see the detailed description of the job. Roles and responsibility. Key responsibility: participate in the design, development, and maintenance of ongoing metrics, ongoing metrics, reports, analyses, dashboards, etc. Used to drive key business decisions. Works with the control to ensure the accuracy, timelines, and confidential of all
Managerial.
And the business intelligence report, views, dashboards, and user data. Implement a new business report with the established reporting framework, policy, and procedures. Trains and support end users on accessing all reports. And analyze and interpret dates, interpret data, and business intelligence reports. Works with others in the development of data warehouse and other data sources to support managerial and business intelligence reporting needs. Work with the business intelligence manager and other staffs to access various reporting needs, analyze the reporting needs and requirements, access current reporting in the context of strategic goal and devise plans for delivering the most appropriate reporting solution to users. Educate and train user community on the potential users of the business intelligence system, exact financial, statistical, and other data from various information systems and other sources. Designs and developers recurrent and ad-hoc business intelligence solutions such as report, cubes, and dashboards, using industry best practice of presentation efficiency and user-friendliness. Friendliness and user-friendliness. Design reports to aid in the efficiency assimilation of the data by users by engineering exception reporting, by engaging exception reporting. seems very good requirement for this job. Okay, let's have more information about the job description. Functional knowledge demonstrated conceptual and practical expertise on own discipline and basic knowledge of related discipline. Business expertise, how knowledge of best practice and how own areas integrate with others is beyond all the competition and the facts that differentiation and differentiated
differentiate,
differentiate, yes, and the facts that differentiate them in the market. Leadership acts as the resource for colleagues with less experience, may lead small projects with manageable with manageable risks and resource requirements. Problem solving solves complex problems, takes a new perspective on existing solutions, exercises judgment based on the analysis of multiple sources of information. Impacts a range of customers, operational, project or service activities with own teams and other related teams, works within board guidelines and policy. Interpersonal skills explain difficulty or sensitive information, works to build consensus. Yes, this is a very special how to say it 就代表性的translate to English. Representative. This is a very good job description about the BI. For the BI working, it is a very representative job, and the work scope is defined very clearly. He must focus on the report, the cube, and maybe the but not include the OLAP and the database maintenance. Just build the report. I think this is a very simple job for BI, because they must have the basic technology, and you must have the business expertise. So you must have the business sensor, and you can know about the business what you are doing, and you can get the information from other requirements department, and maybe align with the line of business. And you must have the leadership ability to communicate with your manager, and you must have knowledge about for example, the small project or manageable risks and resource management. It is a very few questions for the BI the operation, because there is very mature systems. For example, Microsoft Power BI and IBM Team1 and Hyperion and maybe the Tableau, and all of these tools is very simple, and you can understand the OLAP, the cube, and the SQL statement, all of this, so you can do job, and you can and you may very familiar with the interface about every different systems. Okay, let's see another job is business analysis. How to say this one? ANALYST. Analyst. Yes, analyst. For this job, the salary some little, but let's see about the company. Townsback Consulting is the award-winning professional staffing firms with 20 years footprint in Asia and headquarters in Singapore, dating back to 1993. It offers bespoke content search and professional service across various financial and technical technology sectors. Our team of consulting has unparalleled 并行的叫
unparalleled,
unparalleled has unparalleled expertise and track record in servicing both buy-side and sell-side firms, including the largest name on Wall Street. We have successfully placed thousands of banking professionals across various business and technology verticals. Clients range from corporate and investment banks, asset manager, custody, trust, private banks, to the public trade companies, to the public trade companies. This is a very good word to buy side and sell side firms. Okay, let's note it. Okay, let's see the role and the responsibility. Business analyst. Functional BA is responsible for analyzing the business needs and requirements, design and implementation, and implementing reporting solutions, and ensure the effective use of reporting systems to support the decision making. Let's see the responsibility. Validating, gathering, and analyzing business requirements to determine the reporting needs, writing user stories, and documenting the functionality and the functionality as the functional specification, designing and implementing reporting solutions that meets business requirements, ensure data accuracy and competence in reporting systems, write test plan, test the case, and documenting for audit purpose. Collaborating with IT teams to ensure the reporting solutions are delivered as per timelines and in agile framework. Communicating with shareholders to ensure reporting needs are met and effective. Requirements: experience in workflow and workbench project experience is a plus. SQL statement knowledge is a must, and Python knowledge is a plus. The ideal candidate for this role should have strong analytical skills, experience with reporting systems, and knowledge such as data lake, data warehouse, and business intelligence concepts. Experience in handling large data volume for data profiling, analysis, UAT related tasks. Okay, I think maybe the UAT is related to a very big project such as ERP implementation, but not. I think maybe not this related because this is a very low reward creation, and there are just 4 applicants and just post recently. And I think all of this requirement is very high because compared to the last job